I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to share photos on your iPhone through an iCloud link.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first step, on your phone, go to your Photos app. Once you're in your Photos app, select as many photos as you like. Let's say I'm going to select these 5 videos. Then click the Share button on the bottom left. Once you open the Share button, you'll have all these options, but what you're going to want to do is scroll down and tap Copy iCloud Link. Now, if this is not showing, then you're going to need to go to your settings and make sure that the iCloud sync is already set up on your photos. Now, this just wants to go over Wi-Fi. That's fine. We're going to click OK. It will prepare an iCloud link for you. Once it has prepared the iCloud link, you can go ahead and copy and paste that into a new message. So I'm going to go ahead and click paste, and boom. Now you can see that it includes 5 videos available till August 30th, and that is your link to those particular pieces of content that someone else can access and download if they so choose.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.